Be honest, what do you think about the sound of my Tiny Mbira dzavadzimu? And also, if anyone knows the name of this piece, please put it down in the comments.